What's up, everybody? Kawaii Arcade Masters are here. New Duffy merch is out. Oh my gosh. Had to grab my sling bags before they're all gone. The blankets already sold out, but they're grabbing more.
They're coming back at 12 noon.
At 12 noon. More at 12 noon.
Yes.
We have to wait. They're leaving the shelves as fast as they can put them up. It's a cute rolled up blanket. The bags. Jackets, the new pajamas. Ooh, so many people. Ooh, lotion set. Whoa, that must be some really nice lotion for $28. It's cute though. Oh, the new hats. I'm not really a big fan. No, I got cuter ones. Oh my gosh, after that crazy Duffy shopping spree, we need some sustenance. We need food. I'm on keto, so I'm gonna give you my potatoes, okay? I'm gonna just, oh,
It's so good.
Surf and turf.
Sorry, I'm eating before you.
Absolutely, dig in, yum. Oh, Carrie's trying the vending machine. What are you gonna do? You're gonna do the $10 Dragon Ball? You're gonna do the $10 Dragon Ball?
2,000?
Well, there's 10, there's 2, there's 5. There's like
Let's just do 2.
these are like Pokemon cards. Those are
2,000.
1, 2, 2. Oh, Dragon Ball Hero.
Yeah. I'll give this to my brother. I have to say, brother.
Brothers. Did you push it?
Push it. I did.
There. Ooh.
Okay.
For 20. Do you go inside? Oh no, you have to open it and maybe take a ticket inside.
Okay. Let's see.
Ooh, exciting.
This is it.
Dragon Ball Z cards.
This is it.
I think so. The
Nancy, it says card.
ooh.
So it's card.
Well, but look at the cards. Those are.
Oh, okay.
Well, there are a lot in there. There are a lot.
I was expecting a toy.
Oh.
Okay. Wow. Oh yeah, it looks really fancy. But man, so expensive.
For
But
20
yeah,
bucks, those are probably like primo cards.
probably.
Ooh.
It says about 3,000 yen.
30. Oh, about $30 worth of cards.
Oh, Nancy, it's not a toy. It's trading card vending.
Trading card vending machine. Yeah, this one I was like, Pokemon. I thought you were gonna do the Pokemon vending machine.
But it's like a figure.
Oh.
It's okay.
Okay.
Maybe someone's gonna buy this.
They have. Yes. $5. $5. What else? What else? What else? Ooh. Oh, this is the figure one. You get A, B, C, or D, and it corresponds to the prizes in there.
But then, what if you don't get anything?
Well, no, you get A, B, C, or D. So you will get like something from A, B, or C, or D, depending on your ticket. And there's figures in there. You want me to try? I'll try.
Okay.
I'll try.
Okay. Got my $20. What will you win? Will you get an A? Dun, 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 dun. A D. So what does that mean? You get...
I got something down here.
Okay.
So I got like, there's figures down there, but
Well, we'll get a figure then.
okay.
Okay.
You want to try?
No.
No.
No, thank you.
You sure?
Yeah, I Nancy, did you see that?
What?
Oh, but it's 10,000.
So that's $100.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, okay. Darn it! I want to do it. Oh, I don't know. $100. It has figures. It says prize figure 5, right? That's what it says up there. 5 figures.
Yeah.
For $100. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
I don't want to risk it.
Oh my gosh.
Scared.
Capsule trading card.
I'm sad with my card.
Why? Don't be sad with your cards. Come on, guys. Go ahead. Talk to Carey on Instagram and somebody will buy those cards because those look like really nice cards. Ooh. Okay. Ooh. I see a Loki figure in there. Oh. I get a Loki figure. They have cute poskets. Yay! Hi, arigatou gozaimasu. Yay!
I thought I was gonna get the watch.
She didn't want to play because she thought I was gonna get a watch, but no, they have figures in there. I got Loki.
Okay.
It's one of those chicken things. Remember, like there's a little chicken in there with an egg, but they covered it up. But it's the same game, and you can hear the chicken. All right, did you get A, B, C, or D? Did you get A, B, C, or D?
I got a D.
You got a D.
But that's okay.
You got a D. Which one are you gonna get? There's figures, there's watches, but I don't think you want to get a watch.
Okay, help me. I don't know what I want. There is a Thor.
There's a Thor figure in there?
I'll get a Thor.
If you want.
Okay. Thor is better, huh?
Yep. Cute poskets, baby. You want Thor? Yeah. Okay.
At least I got extra 500.
Yeah, because they're selling Thor for 2,500 yen, and you got it for 2,000 yen.
Yes.
Yay! You happy?
Yeah.
You happy? Okay.
Better.
Better.
Okay.
Carey really wants to get the B prize for her brothers. Oh, okay, think B. Yeah, the gentleman who played before us? No, the gentleman who played after us got the C. Lucky. All right, be a B. B.
Oh no.
B.
Ah.
B? You got a B? You got a B? Yes! Yay! Hello. Oh. Box arimasu.
Wow.
Your brothers are lucky.